Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, May 22nd, 2025, we're taking a close look at Meta Platforms, ticker symbol Meta. We'll be combining recent news and events with a detailed technical analysis to help you make informed trading decisions. Meta's stock is currently around $635.50, showing a slight decrease over the past 24 hours, according to recent reports. Let's dive into the news and see how it correlates with what we're seeing on the charts. According to recent news, Arrow Point Investment Partners Singapore Pte. Limited bought 26,599 shares of Meta in Q4, showing confidence in the stock. However, we also see that CTO Andrew Bosworth sold shares recently, as did Mark Zuckerberg earlier in the year. This mixed activity could indicate some uncertainty, but let's see how this plays out on the charts. We also know that analysts have a median price target of $650.80, and some even suggest Meta could hit $1,000 sooner than expected due to AI-driven growth. We will keep this in mind when analyzing the charts. Now, looking at the one-day chart, we can see that Meta has been trading within a wide range for the past few months. We see the 52-week range is $442.65 to $740.91, which gives us an idea of the volatility. The stock is currently trading above its 200-day simple moving average, which is generally a bullish sign. Let's narrow in on the more recent price action to see if we can identify any trends or patterns. Zooming in on the daily chart from January 2025 to today, May 22nd, we can observe a few key levels. We see some resistance around the $640 level, where the price has struggled to break through consistently. There's also some support around the $570 to $580 range, where the price has bounced several times. Keep an eye on those levels as potential areas for reversals or breakouts. Now, let's shift our focus to the hourly chart for a more granular view of recent price action. On the hourly chart, we can see more short-term fluctuations and potential trading opportunities. It is trading near $635.50. We'll want to keep an eye on the $640 level to see if the price can break through. We also see some support forming around the $630 level. Looking at the 15-minute chart, we can see the most recent price movements in detail. There has been a lot of chop here on the 15-minute chart. The price has been struggling to make any major moves. We can see a more detailed view of the current trading price. So, what's the overall outlook? Short term, the stock seems to be consolidating around the $635 level. A break above $640 could signal a bullish move towards the analyst target of $650.80 and potentially higher. However, failure to break above $640 could lead to a retest of the $630 support level. Longer term, the AI-driven growth potential and strong earnings suggest a bullish outlook, possibly justifying the $1,000 target some analysts have mentioned. Keep an eye on the news flow regarding Meta's AI initiatives and any competitive pressures in the market. In summary, key price levels to watch are $630 as immediate support and $640 as immediate resistance. A sustained break above $640 would increase the likelihood of reaching $650.80, and potentially the 52-week high of $740.91. If news remains positive and the stock continues its upward trajectory, the $1,000 target becomes more realistic. Negative news or a failure to hold support could send the stock back down to the $570 to $580 range. That's all for today's analysis on Explain the Charts. Be sure to like and subscribe for more insights.